Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about different career options which are available in IT. So let's start with the first one. The first one is web developer. Now each and every business, be it small, be it big, all the businesses are now going for online modes. So all of the people are preferring to set up different websites so that they can establish the business on the internet. For this, they will need people who can develop their websites. A web developer is a person who can build interactive websites for different people and organizations. For being a web developer, a person must have good knowledge of HTML, PHP, JavaScript, CSS, and various other programming languages. So after a person has known a good amount of language, he can become a web developer. Next one is software developer. Software developer, it is possible to have a career as a software developer with skill of different programming language. If a person has learned various programming languages like Java, ASP, VB.NET, so then that person can become a software developer. He can develop softwares for different organizations. The third one is financial advisor. After getting IT knowledge, one can advise and guide others in investing the money in various investment schemes with their calculation and benefits in the future. So a financial advisor can guide people how they can save the money, make more profit, and all sorts of things. For this, that person should have good knowledge about the stock market, he should have a good research, should have good calculations. Next one is professional accountant. Using computerized accounting softwares, one can successfully handle accounting work of any small or large scale organization. So if there is a person who has good knowledge of calculations, who has good knowledge of handling the accounts, then with the help of IT, then that person can become an accountant so that he can use various different softwares. Next one is database manager. After getting the knowledge about database, one can work as a database manager with the help of SQL skills. If a person has studied various schemas, how the database works, how the tables are created, how to query, if they have learned about SQL language, then the person can become a database manager, wherein the person will be responsible for managing data for small or big organizations. Next one is game developer. Game developer is one of the most trendiest and fun jobs. A game developer can design various games which can be played on computers, laptops, smartphones. So here a person will have good deal of showing their creativity and their imagination. They can use all their creativity and develop more and more games. Next one, audio video editor. This is another upcoming new field in IT, wherein using different audio video softwares, a person can edit audios and videos. So if a person has good knowledge of various softwares and knows how to use that software and the tools properly, that person can become a good audio video editor. Next one is cyber advisor. A cyber advisor is a person who can advise people how to be safe and secure when they are using the internet. How various different frauds happen, how different thefts happen, so that they can be safe from losing out money and they will not be affected. There are various crimes which are happening on the internet, various crimes which are happening on the cyberspace. Cyber advisor can help people to be safe so that they can avoid all these kind of crimes. Next one is animator, another very fun career wherein a person can animate various different imaginations. They can use softwares like GIMP, Inkspace, and they can create their own images, they can create their own cartoons, they can come up with various different ideas. For being an animator, a person should be very creative. Next, information and security analyst. A person who is an information and security analyst is responsible for that the network is working properly. They educate the staff to be safe and secure so that if there are any threats to the organization, they can be safe. Also, they are responsible for seeing that the network is working properly or not, if the speed of the data is correct or not, and all things which are related to the security of the system. So these are the different careers which can be chosen in IT. Thank you.